Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here with FXAce.com. First, I'm like, welcome to the video. So today's video is a recap of September, which has been our greatest, our biggest trading month of the year. Banking for the weekly service only, nearly 2,000 pips, and with the daily signal service around 1,500 pips, so nearly 3,500 pips in total this month. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, simply hit the subscribe button now, and if you haven't already liked my Facebook page, you can head over now and like my Facebook page. It is the FX Ace 2 over at Facebook. Okay, so let's get into this month's results. So this video, we're just going to go over the actual stats and show you my FX book account that started at the start of the month. Okay, the new account. Okay, so you can see the first week of September, we got off to a flyer. We banked around 600 pips, okay, which was fantastic. You can see every trade was profitable that week. We also, a lot of clients had manual entries and banked well over 1,000 pips in that 1 week, and that is excluding the bonus daily service that people get. The second week was actually a losing week. We actually won the majority of our trades there, but 3 stop outs made us minus 160 pips. So losing weeks do happen, as you can see. The third week, we banked 690 pips. Let's say it was a great week then. Last week was another fantastic week, 670 pips. And then this week was pretty slow, end of month. We have only had one trade on the EuroCAD, and we got 140 pips on it. So that was a pretty nice result. Okay, pip count. You can see we have added up all our wins and losses here. You can download this Excel file. It is attached to this email. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just contact me at willthefxace.com, and I will give you the Excel sheet. As you can see, we track everything we do. So you can see August was 890 pips. The past 3 months have been pretty fantastic. We had a slow period after March. You can see there. The past 3 months have been unbelievable. Okay, well over 1,000 pips, nearly 4,000 pips in total over those 3 months. This month's win ratio, 88%. We had 25 trades, won 22 of them, lost 3, and with a cool 88% win ratio. Okay, going into the stats. So since we began the service last year, we've just crossed the 15,000 pip mark. Okay, 381 trades in total in the weekly service, 261 wins, 124 losses, and 71% win ratio. Okay, account tracker, if we were tracking this account in a $5,000 account over the past year, we would be sitting just over $15,000 now. Okay, going off each month. Okay, the largest drawdown period, $750. That was in March. June was our only losing month. Yeah, so there you go. Again, my FX book. If you go to our sales page at www.fxaceprosignals.com, you can actually track this account. Okay. Again, it is a new account started the start of September. You can see here, 1st of September it started. Okay, we had a previous account, which if you go down to the bottom of the profile, you can actually see. Okay, we've got a demo account there that we're testing EA on. This was the old auto trade account. Okay, that was one we closed because of broker issues, which was emailed out to my clients in March. Okay, we were testing several other brokers since then. We've decided to go with FP Markets now. We've been testing them for a few months now, and we've decided to use them. They seem pretty solid. So you can see the account 17, nearly 18% growth this month. Okay, 1% drawdown. Total profit, okay, $974. Yeah, so it's been a great month. that's the results, and looking forward to a great October. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Again, you can download this Excel file in the email that I sent to you, or if you're watching this on YouTube, just send me a quick email at will@fxace.com. See, every trade I take is tracked each week, both on Excel now and my FX book. Okay, so there's no discrepancies. Everything is there for you to see. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. And yeah, so if you're looking for a signal service that works, that shows real results, simply click the link below, or simply subscribe now. Any questions, let me know. Looking forward to seeing you in the group for October. Thanks for watching. Will over to fxace.com.